Hey guys, what's up? So we're back at it again. We've been away for a little while, had a bunch of changes with a big move and everything else, but finally got settled into our new place and able to put up some more videos again. Not long ago, I guess it was September now, a tornado went through this area, a small one, but took down some just big, huge, beautiful trees. And so we had gone out and we were helping some friends clean up after the tornado damage, and saw some of these trees that were down, and just I hated to see them just hauled off and turned into firewood or sent off to other places. And right after that tornado had gone through, I'd gone into my local Ace Hardware here where I live, and they had this STIHL 880 chainsaw with a 5-foot 60-inch bar on it, and it's like everything came together just right all at once. So we got the chainsaw and went out to help some people clear up their property, and came across some beautiful trees. One I got is a beautiful oak tree that's about almost 4.5 foot in diameter, so 52 inches in diameter and 9 foot long, and just sliced it up with 3 or 4 inch thick slabs through it. There's really something to say for finding a tree this down, milling it up yourself, and then making something like a table for your family out of it. So as far as projects go, I don't think it gets much better than this. The mill itself is super simple to build. I'll break down the steps that I use to build it, and you can kind of follow along that if you want to. There are some that are commercially available, and I'm sure they work just fine too. I just had the scrap metal laying around, and it didn't take all that long to build it, so maybe build one for yourself.